inevitable to pass the burden to the next generation? No nation, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, moves forward by avoiding its challenges. No economy grows by ignoring its weaknesses. No leadership succeeds by choosing comfort over correction. Today, the foundations have been reset. Revenues to states have improved. Transparency has increased. Infrastructure is advancing. Security coordination is strengthening. These are not isolated steps. They are part of a clear direction. Reform is not a sprint. Reform is a journey. Reform is a commitment, and that commitment requires continuity. This is why I say that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu must continue this work beyond 2027. Not for sentiment, not for convenience, but because the work has begun and must be completed. Because the foundation has been laid and it must be built upon. Because the path has been chosen and it must be sustained. And if you are to sustain the path, continuity must not be limited to the executive alone. It must also extend to the legislature. Mr. President, Your Excellencies, our governors, I make this passionate appeal with urgency. As we commit to continuity at the executive level, we must also secure stability within the legislature. The high turnover of senators and members over the years has come at a cost to governance, to lawmaking, and to public resources spent on constant training and retraining. Experience is lost. Institutional memory is weakened. Momentum is broken. We cannot continue to start every cycle afresh and expect consistent progress. The legislature is not separate from this journey. It is a partner in it. We legislate for the same reforms. We oversee the same programs. We defend the same national interest. I therefore urge deliberate efforts to support the return of committed and performing legislators so that together the executive and the legislature can sustain this path and complete the work we have all begun. To those who will emerge as the next leaders of our party today, I extend my congratulations in advance. Your emergence will reflect the party's confidence in your competence and capacity to lead at this moment. Our great party is large and still growing, with depth, capacity, and rising expectations. With that strength comes scrutiny. There are those who expect us to fracture. There are those who hope we will implode under the weight of our own size. That must not happen. We must not allow that to happen. It must be prevented through careful management, disciplined coordination, and constant engagement. Integrating both long-standing and new members, maintaining unity, and managing competing interests will require steady leadership. You must organize with clarity. You must engage with purpose. You must mobilize with consistency. Let us all be remembered at that generation. Let us be remembered as the party that chose reform, sustained it, and delivered results. Let us be remembered as the leaders who stood together and moved this country forward. The moment, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, is here. The responsibility is ours. The future is within reach. I thank you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.